We ought to improve this workflow beyond just printing stuff out using PO or similar, and then adding a breakpoint here and there. There must be some really core tools that you lean on a heck of a lot.
Yeah, I mean, the UI view debugger is for me like really, really important, especially when you have layout issues. Um, you get to see so much more about what is wrong, like what kinds of, you can focus in on the constraints, for example, and then you notice like, oh, this is an ambiguous constraint. I didn't even notice that when I laid out my code. So that is definitely, for me, doing a lot of UI work, a very, very important tool.
Right, because that's where you press I forget what the button's called, but and it explodes your UI in 3D. You can spin it around. You can filter by depth the layers, and you can dig in and say, what do you have for constraints, or why are you opaque and similar, and it really gives you an idea of what's actually happening with your finished code, right?
Yeah, and not only that, actually, I don't think a lot of people realize you get the addresses in the view debugger, right? For like a certain view. If you take that, if you cast that address to whatever object it is, let's say UI view, you can actually on the fly change properties. So sometimes what I do is like I'm just changing the background color of something just to make sure, oh, is that actually visible? And once you hit like resume again, it changes on the fly the color, right, of the background color. And you can manipulate code that way.
Right. So there you go. It sounds like an immediate win. If you're doing PO already, printing things out, use the view debugger, find the view you want, get the address for it, and then PO that, and actually then modify it and see it change live, right?
Yes, yes, exactly.
Now, it's a related question to that. This is a random one, but I'm curious. When you're thinking to yourself, is this view visible? You give it background color. We all give it background color. Which background color do you choose?
I use red. I usually
Yes!
use
I use
red.
red as well. Good.
Uh, why are people using like blue, purple? I
I
don't
think they
know.
are. Those weird people over there are daring to use different colors than red. But yeah, I think it is
I don't know
mostly
how I
red.
can. Yeah,
I think
just
because
so easy.
yeah, it just stands out as a big warning sign. This view, why is it doing over
Yeah,
there? It shouldn't be over there. It should be over here, or bigger, or behind something else. And yeah, red just screams problems to me, I guess.
yeah, same.